In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to predict market reversals using Gann time cycles in TradingView. We'll walk through finding the right tool in TradingView and how to read what it plots so you can anticipate potential turning points with more confidence. This is for educational purposes only. Use it as a timing framework alongside your existing strategy. First, head over to TradingView in your browser or open the app. Make sure you're on a chart of the market and time frame you care about. Gann's idea centers on time symmetry. Markets often pivot at rhythmic intervals, so the time frame you choose will influence how frequently potential reversals appear. Next, click on Indicators at the top of the chart. This opens the indicator window where you can search across built-ins and community scripts. In the search bar, type Gann time cycles. You'll see several options, but the one we want is called Gann Octave Pro, Angles and Time Cycles. Go ahead and click it to add it to your chart. You'll know it's active when visual guides appear, typically a combination of vertical time markers, cyclical arcs, and angle grids layered over price. These drawings don't predict direction by themselves. Instead, they highlight time windows when a change in trend is more likely. Think of them as a calendar for potential inflection points. Here's how to use what you see. As price approaches a vertical cycle line or a confluence where multiple cycle markers cluster, pay attention to the recent trend. If the market has been trending up into that window, watch for slowing momentum, wicks, divergences, or structure breaks. If it has been heading down, look for signs of seller exhaustion or basing. The indicator is most effective when you pair those time windows with confirmation from price action, volume, or your favorite oscillator. If your chart looks crowded, that's normal with Gann studies. You can temporarily hide the indicator in the chart's indicator list to compare before and after, then bring it back as you refine your read. Also remember that not every line produces a reversal. Treat each time cycle as an alert to tighten your focus, not a command to trade. Waiting for a candle close near the window and a clear trigger, like a break of a swing level, can improve selectivity. To recap, open TradingView, click Indicators, search for Gann time cycles, select Gann Octave Pro, Angles and Time Cycles, and observe how the plotted time windows align with potential market turning points. Use them to anticipate timing and let price confirm the setup. With practice, you'll start recognizing which cycles matter most for your market and time frame.